Good day. This is Ishisondra Acevilli of grade 6A. Today, I will be doing our activity in science, which is about homogeneous mixture. We were asked to make a dipping sauce for a fried tilapia using only a soy sauce and a calamansi extract. Then, we are tasked to observe what happens when we mix the two together. So, let's get started, guys. So, first is soy sauce. Next is the calamansi extract and the mixing glass, the stirrer, and the strainer and the measuring cup. So, first thing to do is slice 3 pieces of calamansi and squeeze them. So first I'm gonna slice the calamansi. We will use a strainer to remove the seeds because we will just be using the extract. We're gonna squeeze them. So here we now have the calamansi extract and it is a yellowish in color. Next, we will add 1/4 cup of soy sauce to our mixing glass. And note that the soy sauce is blackish in color and is darker compared to our calamansi extract. We have that which is light color. Now, we are going to mix them thoroughly using a stirrer. As we observe, mixing them together, they are miscible and form something called homogeneous mixture. We can no longer see the calamansi extract. We can now only distinguish one color, which is of the soy sauce. Therefore, only one phase of matter is observed, and this means it is a homogeneous mixture. That's it. Thank you.